The judge has spent much of the day giving the jury in the second-degree murder trial of Randy Riley their final instructions before deliberations begin. People may remember this story for the horrific details of how Chad Smith died back in October of 2010. He had just started working as a pizza delivery man. Somebody phoned in a fake order for a pizza and a large orange pop. The call came from a payphone not far from where the murder happened. When Smith showed up at the apartment block, he was hit by a single shotgun blast and died quickly from the loss of blood. Two men were charged in this crime, Nathan Johnson and Randy Riley. The jury's been told about earlier criminal proceedings involving both men, but not their outcome, and they've been told not to speculate on what happened. One of the key witnesses in both of Riley's trials was Paul Smith, no relation to the victim. In the first trial, he said Riley told him he had a grudge against Chad Smith and was going to take care of it. Paul Smith drove Riley and Johnson around on the day of the murder and dropped them off not far from the murder scene. Paul Smith changed his story entirely since that last trial. He now says he and Riley just had normal conversations, and any suggestion of a grudge or driving Riley to get a gun never came up. The judges told the jurors they must decide which version of Paul Smith's evidence to believe and how much weight to attach to it. Another key witness was Johnson's former girlfriend, Caitlin Fuller. She testified that Riley threatened her the day after the murder. Riley's lawyer attacked Fuller's credibility, pointing out that she's collected hundreds of thousands of dollars from the Witness Protection Plan. Justice Joshua Arnold ended his instructions to the jury by saying they have four choices. They can find Randy Riley guilty of second-degree murder, not guilty of second-degree murder, guilty of the weapons offense, or not guilty of that offense. Their work begins in earnest first thing tomorrow morning. Blair Rhodes, CBC News, Dartmouth.